Aloha, my name is Bhavani Maki from Yoga Kauai, and I'd like to share with you a wonderful exploration of how we can integrate breath and movement together. In fact, when we breathe in a functional way, there is movement, and that's called a vinyasa. Now, this is a piece that is really what makes yoga yoga. What we want to observe is the tendency for people to move and then breathe, okay? So movement is in fact initiated by breath. So we're going to explore this in a vinyasa form. And it's a wonderful practice for actually letting go of the achievement of the posture and to realize what Patanjali says in the 48th Sutra of the second chapter, Tasmin sati shvasa prashvasa gati vichettaha pranayamaha. The function of asana is to create a container that is resilient and responsive enough for the percolation of prana into all of the systems. Okay, so I'm going to go to the wall, and key is that I have my hands collinear with my shoulders. So this is narrow, this is wide. I want to stack my middle fingers, the center of my elbow, and the head of my arm bone, and plant the weight evenly into my hands so it lands in the center. I have a sense of this dome in the center of my palm. I'll go about 10 inches from the wall. And then as I set my shoulders over my wrists, I extend through my inner heel and inhale up. Exhale, I take the same leg down and keep the top leg stretched. Now look how I organize this foot. Second side, inhale up. Second leg follows. Exhale, I track the second leg down, stretch the top leg up. Now I switch sides, inhale up. I really want to feel where I land on the wall, on my heel. Exhale down, stretch through your inner heels. Second side, inhale up. And exhale down. So when my inner heel isn't stretched, look how erratic my movement becomes. Inhale up. Do you see? So this is why it's key to find that length through your inner line. And when you find that sense of extension, it brings you on your line. So have fun, have a sense of humor. As Patanjali says, achievements can become obstacles. So it's not about achievement. It's about understanding yourself and learning how to tap into this endless resource of energy and consciousness that we yogis call prana. Namaskara and aloha.